Hello, habari. Welcome to my learning Swahili program, and my name is Zakaria. I'm the best Swahili tutor from uh, Tanzania, based in Dar es Salaam, and I always welcome you to learn Swahili with me in an easy way. I always teach the communicative Swahili that can enable you to speak Swahili within a very short time. Okay. And today here I wish to share with you the different ways, different alternatives on how you can say no problem in Swahili. How do you say no problem, no issue? It's okay in Swahili. So here are some of the uh, common alternatives that you can use. The first one that is uh, very popular is hakuna 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 tatizo, hakuna tatizo. Okay, so tatizo is a problem. So hakuna, it means there is no problem. Hakuna tatizo. So if someone approaches to you and you think it is not a big issue, then you can say hakuna tatizo. Okay, that's one of the the way how you can say no problem. Another way that you can say no problem is to say hakuna shida. Hakuna shida. Hakuna shida. So if you say hakuna shida, shida is something that is the same apply to tatizo. So shida is something a problem, something not good. Okay, shida. So you can say hakuna shida. It means there is no issue. Okay. Another way you can say no problem is by saying hakuna tabu. Hakuna tabu. Hakuna tabu. So the word tabu, shida, and the tatizo, I can say these are like synonyms. They carry the same meaning. So tabu is also a miserable situation, okay, difficult situation. Okay, so hakuna tabu. So someone approaches to you, then you can respond, oh, hakuna tabu, hakuna tabu. Okay, yeah. Another way that you can say it is that the common one which is normally known worldwide. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. I think you have ever heard about it. Matata. Hakuna matata. So hakuna matata. Matata. The word matata is the same as tatizo. However, in Kenya they prefer most to use matata, while in Tanzania we prefer most to use tatizo. So matata and tatizo are the same, which means a problem. Okay. So if you say hakuna matata, it means no problem, no worry, no issue. Okay. Yeah. And I give you the last alternative, but that one will normally apply in the non-informal setting. Okay, non-informal setting. If you are using, maybe you are speaking to your friend, someone whom you are very closely related, okay, then you can say hakuna noma, hakuna noma, hakuna hakuna noma, okay, noma. So noma is something which is not good, but this is normally used in the non-formal setting. The formal language used noma. Hakuna noma, okay? Hakuna noma, hakuna noma. So hakuna noma, it means there's no issue, there's no problem, there's no anybody thing. So these are the 5 alternatives that you can use to say no problem in Swahili. So I give you a lot of alternatives. so that you can have a good command of Swahili language, and you can speak Swahili like the native ones. So that's all for today. I will keep on showing you some common phrases with different alternatives on how you can say in Swahili. So I always encourage you to book your online Swahili lessons so that I can teach you a communicative Swahili and you can speak Swahili within a very short time. And once you visit in East Africa, Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, Congo, then you'll be in a good position to interact with the local. So I welcome you and I hope to see you soon. Karibu sana na kwaheri.